Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best drone under 250 grams you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Are you ready to discover the top 5 drones under 250 grams that combine portability and performance? In this video, we'll explore these lightweight marvels, perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Stick around to find out which drone suits your needs best, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that drones weighing under 250 grams are not only incredibly portable but also often bypass many regulatory restrictions? Today, we're diving into the top 5 drones in this category, each offering unique features tailored for various needs. If you're interested in any of these models, check out the links in the description below. Let's explore these lightweight flyers. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best drone under 250 grams. Let's begin. On number 5 is DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is a compact powerhouse that defies expectations. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers an impressive 4K video resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring your footage is crisp and detailed. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilizes your shots, delivering cinematic quality even in challenging conditions. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, you have ample opportunity to capture expansive views without frequent recharging. The 10 km HD video transmission range ensures a stable connection, allowing you to explore vast areas with confidence. Features like QuickShots and Panorama modes enhance creative possibilities, making it a top contender among drones under 250 grams. However, it lacks advanced obstacle avoidance systems, so pilots should exercise caution, especially in complex environments. For those seeking a blend of portability and performance, the DJI Mini 4K is a commendable choice. On number 4 is Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS. Looking for a drone that combines portability, impressive features, and affordability? The Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone might just be what you need. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it a hassle-free choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Equipped with a 12MP camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures stable 4K videos at 30 frames per second, delivering impressive image quality. With a maximum transmission range of up to 6 km and a flight time of approximately 32 minutes per battery, it offers ample opportunity to explore and capture stunning aerial footage. The Fly More combo, priced at $359.99, includes additional batteries and a carry case, enhancing its value. However, it's worth noting that it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, so cautious flying is essential. Overall, the Potensic ATOM offers a compelling mix of features and affordability, making it a strong contender among the top drones under 250 grams. On number 3 is Holy Stone GPS HS360S. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K aerial footage without the hassle of FAA registration. The Holy Stone GPS HS360S makes this a reality. Weighing under 250 grams, this compact drone boasts a 1/3 CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and an 85 degrees wide-angle camera, delivering stunning 3840x2160p photos and videos. Its advanced GPS functionality ensures precise positioning and a reliable return-home feature for added safety. With a control range extending up to 10,000 feet and a robust 20-minute flight time per battery, the HS360S offers expansive exploration capabilities. User-friendly features like beginner mode and optical flow positioning make it accessible for novices, while intelligent flight modes such as Spiral Up, Catapult, and One-Tap Ascension enhance the aerial filming experience. Priced at $199.99, the Holy Stone HS360S stands out as a top contender among the best drones under 250 grams, offering a blend of performance, portability, and affordability. On number 2 is Ruko F11MINI. Looking for an affordable, feature-packed drone under 250 grams? The Ruko F11MINI might just be your perfect match. Weighing only 245 g, it bypasses FAA registration, making it ideal for beginners. Its foldable design ensures portability, and the brushless motors promise stable flights both indoors and out. Equipped with a 4K camera offering a 120 degrees wide-angle view and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it captures impressive photos and smooth 2.7K videos at 25 frames per second. With two intelligent batteries providing up to 60 minutes of flight time, extended aerial sessions are a breeze. GPS-assisted features like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight enhance the flying experience, while the auto-return function adds a layer of safety. However, it's worth noting that the F11MINI lacks image stabilization, which might affect video smoothness in windy conditions. Priced around $219.99, the Ruko F11MINI offers a compelling blend of performance and value for those entering the drone world. Now moving to the last one is Potensic ATOM SE GPS. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K footage with a drone that fits right in your pocket. The Potensic ATOM SE GPS drone, weighing under 249 g, offers this convenience without the need for FAA registration. Its compact design doesn't compromise on performance. Equipped with a 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony sensor, it delivers stunning 12MP photos and smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The inclusion of 3 batteries extends your flight time to an impressive 93 minutes, ensuring ample opportunity to explore and capture. With leveled 5 wind resistance and brushless motors, the ATOM SE maintains stable flight even in challenging conditions. While it may lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, its affordability and portability make it a strong contender among the top drones under 250 grams. Priced at $329.99, the Potensic ATOM SE is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts seeking quality aerial photography without breaking the bank. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best drone under 250 grams. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.